Good morning. Today we will do constructions of rhombus and rectangle.
Now we have CD with side AB. If AB is 5.5 centimeter, that means measurement of all the sides of the rhombus ABCD is equal to 5.5 centimeter and angle A is equal to 90 degree. So first what we will do, first we draw AB as 5.5 centimeter here. So I will mark here as 5.5 centimeter. So that is AB 5.5 centimeter. So on angle A, I have to draw the angle 90 degree. So what I will do first, at angle A, we'll draw the angle 90 degree. Consider A as center, and with suitable convenient radius, we can draw the semicircle. And with same radius, we can mark the arc. First as 60 degree, then 120 degree, and bisect 60 degree to 120 degree angles. So that will give me my 90 degree. Same as if angle is 90 degree. So what I will do next on here, because if one angle is 90 degree, another angles will also be 90 degree. So here also, because adjacent angle, sum of adjacent angles is equal to 180 degree. So if it is one is 90 degree, this angle B will also be 90 degree. So I will draw also here as 90 degree, 60 degree, 120 degree, bisect the angle 60 to 120 degree. So that give the point of 90 degree. So now I join this one. So this is 90 degree. So this is 90 degree. Okay, but I will cut these two sides as 5.5 centimeters. So what I will do, so I will just open the compass as 5.5 centimeter, mark it here 5.5 centimeter, mark it here 5.5 centimeter, and that will be my point CD. So I just join that one. So that will be C and D. Or you can do one more thing here. So if you draw 90 degree here, this will be 5.5 centimeter. So you can also 5.5 centimeter draw an arc here and draw an arc here, cut that arc at 5.5 centimeters. So in this case you can also draw the rhombus according to that without making 90 degree on this angle B. So that gives you same measurement as 5.5. So what you can do, only you have to make 90 degree angle here another way. So don't need to make it 90 degree. Just open this 5.5, make a line here. Okay, so here draw an arc at a distance of 5.5 centimeter, and from here 5.5 centimeter you will cut that arc. So that will give you the point as C, and join all ABCD points. That will give you required rhombus ABCD. Next is if you have one side and a diagonal is given. So how will you draw the rhombus in that case? You have diagonal is given, SQ is equal to 6 centimeter. First you will draw the diagonal as SQ is equal to 6 centimeter. Then you have to go further, that is a measurement of PQ 5.5 centimeter. So what you do, first I will draw SQ, because this is a diagonal. So this is 6 centimeter. First I will draw SQ as 6 centimeter here. So this is your 7th question of exercise. So this is SQ as 6 centimeter. So this is your diagonal. Okay, so here is the one point P. So that will be because in rhombus measurement of whole side is same, from P to Q and P to S, your distance is 5.5 centimeter. So what you will do, you just open the compass as 5.5 centimeter here. So I will mark from the scale, open the compass 5.5 centimeter, as Q as a center, mark the arc at the distance of 5.5 centimeter, and with same distance should not be same. If your compass is moved, your distance will not be proper. So don't you be very careful about this compass, that distance should not be changed. So this will be 5.5. You have to mark upward and downward, because there is also downward, there will be a two sides of the rhombus. We are at a distance of 5.5 centimeters. So at the same distance you have to cut that arc. So now what you will do, you join. So this will be your point P, Q, and this will be R. Now you have to join all these points. So this is PQ, QS, QR, RS, and PS. So that will be your required rhombus. Another is, but if you have only two diagonals is given, so how you will draw the rhombus in that case? First I will go with MO, because MO and NP are two diagonals. If you look at the figure name, opposite, like non-consecutive alphabet show you a diagonal. So MO is 9 centimeter, NP is equal to 12 centimeter. So first you will draw MO is equal to 9 centimeter. So first I will draw MO is equal to 9 centimeter here. So I will draw 9 centimeter here. So this is my MO point. So this is my MO point, that is 9 centimeter. Now I will do, first I will draw the perpendicular bisector, because diagonal bisect each other in two equal points. So for drawing the perpendicular bisector, I just open the compass either exactly as MO or little bit less than MO. So I will mark the arc up and down both sides, and consider now M as center. Now I will cut this arc up and down. Okay, now I will join that. So I will join that 2 points made by the arcs up and down, that is the intersection of the arc. So now I will join that one. So this is the middle line. Okay, but this is another diagonal we show that, but that diagonal length should be 12 centimeter. If it is 12 centimeter, so that means upper side of this MO should be half of the NP, because diagonal bisect each other. Half of NP, 12 by 2 centimeter is equal to 6 centimeter. So now what you will do, at the distance of 6 centimeter, either you can mark with the scale directly or you can mark with the compass. Like here 6 centimeter, when you open the compass 6 centimeter, so mark an arc here and cut that bisector line that divides MO into two equal parts at a 6 centimeter distance. This is 6 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter. So here now you join. This point will be, because your figure is MNOP, so this will be your N point and this will be your P point. Now first you can join this diagonal, which will be a 12 centimeter. You can check from the scale, it is NP will be 12 centimeter. Now you join all the sides here, that is OP, MP, and this is MN. So you join, this is MN and this is NO. So this is your required rhombus. This way you can draw the rhombus if you have two diagonals as given to you. Next is how to draw the rectangle, how to construct a rectangle when only AB, BC, two adjacent sides, measurement of two adjacent sides is given to you. In rectangle, you very well know that in properties is that in rectangle measurement of all corner angles is 90 degree. So it is understood that whether it is given or not, your angle at each vertex is 90 degree. So if you have two adjacent figure measurement is there, so first I will choose first line AB as 6.3 centimeter. So first I will draw a line AB as 6.3 centimeter here, 2, 3. So here 6.3. So first I will mark AB is equal to 6.3 centimeter. And for the next line 4.2, there is, if it is a rectangle, so there is property, according to property of rectangle, there should be a 90-degree angles on each vertices, each vertex. So first you will draw at E as center, draw the semicircle with convenient radius and make a 90-degree angle both on A and B. So now you will draw the 90-degree angle here, same as like in our previous figure. So you bisect 60-degree and 120-degree angle to make 90-degree here. So here you can draw the bisector here. So this is your 90-degree angle. So this is the mark of the 90-degree angle here. So you just extend this line. So just extend this line, and here if BC is 4.2, now you have to open this as 4.2 centimeter here, 4.2, and cut this as 4.2 in both the side, because opposite side measurement is same. So this will be B, this is intersecting point C, and this is D. Now you have to join CD. So this is your required rectangle ABCD. Now next is, if you have one side and one diagonal is given to you in rectangle, so what you will do, condition is same, on one side on the every corner angle is 90 degree. So if I have xy is given, diagonal is given, so what you will do, first you have to draw xy as 9.5 centimeter here. So I will draw here 9.5 centimeter from the scale here. So this is 9.5 centimeter, 9.5 centimeter x and y. So x to z distance, so this way diagonal is go, because opposite vertex is z, so that means x, y, z, w. So x distance is 6 according to the second condition here. Now condition is that here at y, at here y, angle will be 90 degree. So what I will do, first I will draw here at angle y is 90 degree. So here what I will do here, this is xy. So if you draw the 90 degree angle here, so here it is 90, because condition is that in the rectangle each corner angle is 90 degree. So here if this angle is 90 degree, so if you extend that one, so this is 90 degree. Okay, but x to z, this will be 6 centimeter, but this one is xy is 9.5. So that means it not reach up to the diagonals, that is a bigger in this one. So that means it should not be a 6 centimeter, it should be more than 6 centimeter, because I think if we go with 6 centimeter, so it will just meet at that point. Okay, it will not meet at this line 90 degree, and angle is not given to us, only one side and one diagonal is given to us. If we go according to the statement, so figure will not be possible, but we have to draw the rectangle if one side and one diagonal is given. So one thing remember, measurement of the side never crosses the measurement of the diagonal. That means measurement of diagonal always greater than the measurement of side. If it is written that xz is equal to 6 centimeters, so this way my figure will not be possible. So I consider here as, suppose xz is equal to, I will take 10 centimeter, I will increase, then increase from 9.5, because so I consider my diagonal will be more than xy. So I will take it here as 10 centimeter. So what I will do it here, so here I will just open this 10 centimeter from the scale, because diagonal measurement always more than the measurement of the side, because diagonal joins the two corners of the figure, so it will not be less than the side. So I consider here, according to the statement I changes here, x side should be 10 centimeter. If it is 10 centimeter, from this x point I will mark the line here at 10 centimeter distance on that 90-degree line. So here will be my z point, where this distance 10 centimeter meet, that will be more than this sides, so this will be my 90-degree. So what I will do, so this I will consider as my diagonal xz, because xz never less than, that is xz diagonal never less than the side, either this will be less, either this will be more. So here now I have to complete the figure. Here also will be yz, so what I will do, I just mark it here, because this is yz. To complete the rectangle, I will just measure from the compass here yz. I will mark an arc, same as the distance of yz, and here same as the distance of xy when I measure it here. So I will mark from here, cut this arc, so that will be my next point as w. So now I join this one, xw, wz, because in opposite side measurement is same. So whatever this yz measure, that will be same it here. This will 9.5, this will 9.5 centimeter. This way my figure will be completed. Next is to construct a rectangle when one side and the angle between the side and the diagonal is given. So what you will do when angle between the side and the diagonal is given to you. Here you have given, construct a rectangle ABCD with AB is equal to 6 centimeter and the angle between the diagonal and the side AB is 45 degrees. So first I will draw AB as 6 centimeter here. So first I will draw AB as 6 centimeter here. So this is AB, 6 centimeter. So now diagonal AC, because from this to this AC will go. That means here angle will be 45 degree and here angle will be, as usual according to the rectangle, 90 degree. So at angle B we draw 90 degree and E we draw 45 degree here according to the statement here. So here if I will draw here 90 degree, 45 is the half of the 90 degree. So first I will draw 90 degree angle here, make the bisector of 60 degree and 120 as usual before here, and here also first I will draw 90 degree, then half of the 90 degree is 45 degree here. So first I will draw this one, so this is 90 degree. So here I will draw with the proper line. So this is my 90 degree point. Okay, this is not my actual point, though angle here is 90 degrees, so I draw this with the dotted lines. Okay, and half of this line is 45 degree. Now how I will do half of this 90 degree? I just open the compass exactly as here, whatever 90 degrees here, and bisect that angle of 90 degree like this way. So this will make my 45 degree. The half of this 90 degree, this is angle bisector, so that is my 45 degree. Now where this 45 and 90 degree meet, because I have no another side is given to me, so I will just extend this line 45 degree further to meet the 90 degree line. So where this 90 degree line meet, so that is my required triangle here according to the diagonals. So this is AC and this is AB. Now one more vertex I need, D, to complete this rectangle. So in the rectangle measurement of opposite side is same. So what you will do, you just open BC here, consider A as center, mark the arc at the same as the distance according to the BC. Now measure AB here. Now cut this point AB at this point, here also So this is my D point. Now you join these points. This is your D point. So this will be your required triangle after joining all the points AB, BC and CD. So this will be your required rectangle. So here this will be your required rectangle ABCD according to if you have given. So this is 45 degree is the angle between the diagonal and the side. Here 45 degree. This is 90 degree according to the rectangle properties. So we join 45 and 90 degree pointed here at C point and complete the remaining figure according to the measurement of sides AB and BC. Now next is construction of the square. Now how you will construct a square when one side is given. In square also angle at every corner is 90 degree. So if you have one side is given 4.4 centimeter, 4.4 centimeter here. So what you will do, first you will draw here a side 4.4 centimeter from the scale. So we mark it as EB 4.4 centimeter.